Hey everyone, welcome to this week's episode of Staying Sane with STEM. I'm Scarlett Falconer.
And I'm Poppy Falconer, and today we are going to be showing you how to make the rocket from the trailer video.
Rockets have helped us to discover so many things in our galaxy. Today we're going to show you how to make a super simple version of a rocket.
You will need cardstock, an empty toilet paper roll, a pencil, a ruler, a compass, tape, and scissors.
For the first step, you will be cutting out the cone for the top of the rocket. Make a circle with the compass with a radius of 1.5 inches.
You might need a parent to help you with that part.
Then cut out the circle. Now cut out a quarter of the circle so that it looks like this.
For the next part, we are going to cut out the wings. Cut out a rectangle that is 1.5 by 3 inches. Cut it diagonally. Now you have the wings. Just tape the wings to the rocket.
Take the circle you cut out earlier and fold it like this. Tape the seam of the cone and then tape the cone to the toilet paper roll. Now for the fun part. We finished the basic structure of the rocket and now it's time to decorate it. There are endless possibilities for how you can decorate it, and we want to see all the designs you guys come up with.
In the trailer video, we added flames to the bottom of our rocket, but you can add whatever you want.
We can't wait to see all of your designs. Make sure to come back for next week's episode of Staying Sane with STEM.
Thanks for watching.
We want to congratulate Sawyer from Tomball, Texas. He sent in this picture of a submarine, and we think it looks awesome. We'd love for any of y'all to send in a picture of the rocket you make, and it just might be featured in next week's episode.